Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a text box semi-transparent in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document with a picture and text box. Now you can see here are my document, picture and text box behind the picture. Now I select this text box to make semi-transparent. Press edit option. Now select this text box to drawing interface. Then you can see here are fill color. Now click this fill color and press add a custom color. Now you can see here are transparent option. Make this transparent to medium transparent. Then press OK. Then press save and close. Then click outside the text box. Now you can see I make a text box semi-transparent in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.